Greetings. So here we have a new consultant directory specifically for our marketing pro consultants. It is at adultromance.party. So we're going to go into very quickly getting that set up. So in your purple power menu under manage listings, you'll see adultromance.party. If you are not set up, you will see this section here. Very simply, we just need you to enter your formal business name and pick your state. So we're just going to take the tag name that we have here and we're going to make it an actual business title here. Let's put some capitals in there and some spaces so it actually made sense. So we're going to pick the state and we're going to create our directory listing. And there we go. Our directory listing has been created, and that's in DC. So if we just refresh over here, then we've got a little something special, and there is the tag for a little something special. So that is how you first create your directory listing if it's not created already. It's probably created already, and in which case it will be right here. Your listing ID will be here, your listing URL, so you can click that to go look at your listing. And then we have all of our sections here so that you can customize your listing a little better. So quite simply, we start out with business information. First name, simple, first name, your business name. Your email is for the contact form. It's not displayed on the site. It's for the contact form to send to. Got your business phone number, city, state, zip code. Need all this to grab the longitude, latitude, and how far will you travel. So this line is going to tell you what that's going to look like. I'm going to empty it out, but I'll just show you real quick. I'm going to say 6 hours. So you can see I am able to travel to co-host your party. Just leave it blank if you don't want this line at all. But once I update that, we can see that it's going to say I am able to travel 6 hours to co-host your party. So you can put up to if you want to in here, whatever you want for that. Next we come to our map schema information, and that is basically for the localization schema on your site. It's in the back-end code. It's for search engines only, but it's going to help you optimize. So just make sure you enter that city, state, and that zip code, which is going to calculate the longitude, latitude for your schema, and a little business description here. And that business description goes underneath the title of the page. If we look over here, we've got So Nice to Be Naughty here. And so that's that business description there. So you can put any kind of tagline you want. Let's go party, you know, I'm ready for you, what have you. The default is So Nice to Be Naughty. These are disabled. They get calculated from up here. Heading over to personal content. So your personal content, it's always going to be empty here. You get to write it. But that personal content is what is in this section here. If we go to the more information, then we'll get all of the personal content. This right here is the default. So if you want to edit that information, you can grab it from here if you like. If you think you just want to edit that information and not write your own, you can just copy it from there, drop over here, paste it, and then start editing, writing additional whatever have you that you want to be in your About Me content. Hit the Update Me and you're good to go. Over to social media, obviously all your social media links. Any social media links that do not show, that you leave blank, are just not going to show up. But if we take a look over here, that's in this section right here. So if I come back here and just type in something, I'll just put in the 2 and I hit update my social media links, then that's going to update those. Whenever it refreshes, it always comes back to the first tab, so you got to go over to that tab. So you see we have 2 social media links there. So if I refresh my page, then my 2 social media links show up. They'll always center, and whatever you put in there, those icons will show up. So you've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Go ahead and empty this out so that it's not there anymore for this listing. And there you go. We've got the shopping links. Those get automatically put in. So basically the only thing you probably want to do here is if you did get your own URL, then you want to put your own URL in for your shopping links or for your marketing site here to get your own URL if you got your own URL. And if you don't want a link to be on your listing, then you can just empty it out and that link will disappear. So those are your shopping links. Your featured image is the image right here, and the image that shows up at the top part of in the map here. So that's your featured image. Again, for the featured image, we are using our IMGBB. If you want to change that, when it gets first set up, it uses a feature image of that city state. So head over to IMGBB and sign into your account, or create one if you haven't gotten one yet. They are free. And so if we sign into our account, we can see all of our images here. You simply drag and drop an image here, upload an image, any, whatever image you want. And then once you have that image uploaded, we have a bunch uploaded. So once you have that image uploaded, you just hit the embed code section here. Make sure you are using direct links. Copy that, paste that in here. Let me go ahead and paste it in here, but grab this one so that I can keep it. And you update your About Me content. And now you can see that that's my, featured image. Now you can see that this is my featured image. And when I go to my page, I have changed my featured image to here. So that is how you set up your featured image. And that's it for the new consultant directory for our Marketing Pro folks. Questions, problems, suggestions, give me a buzz. Thanks, bye.